comparison, I'm sure you'll remember the GTX 970 controversy, where the card's bandwidth would take a hit if the VRAM consumption crossed 3.5 GB. This was because to access the last 500 MB of VRAM, the card was dependent upon the same ROPs as the ones meant for the initial 3.5 GB. Something similar, albeit less serious, has been discovered in case of the RTX 2070. Turns out that the card has two versions, one of which relies on a relatively poor silicon lot. While the ramifications aren't nearly as serious, it is still worth taking note of. The main impact is on the card's operating frequencies and the overclocking potential. The higher quality SKU is named the TU106400A, while the standard version is TU106400. NVIDIA is selling the TU106400A for a higher price to board partners for use in special versions like the Gaming OC or XC Ultra. These come with factory overclocks of around 100 plus MHz, and the performance is usually 10 to 15% better than the stock cards. As for the catch, these higher quality cards are usually $50-75 more expensive. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 has two SKUs. The silicon quality isn't the only differentiating factor. This higher-end SKU usually utilizes the same SKU as the RTX 2080 as well as better VRM and thermals. This allows them to benefit from increased voltages and TDP, which is what eventually also converts into higher operating clocks. Now, whether the extra $50-70 make it worthwhile, that is highly debatable. The value for money score of the RTX cards is after all not so shiny. For a better idea of the performance deltas between the two cards, have a look at the benchmarks below. The EVGA RTX 2070 is the stock version.